What's up, guys? I'm PLE, the Mass Explorer, and I take you to anything and everything abandoned. Today, guys, we got something very special for you, but yet unique. We got my partner in crime here, the love of my life, my wife, Chantel's Unexplainable Adventures.
That's me.
And today we are in New Jersey. We are here to see the one and only Big Ben.
Really?
You know what? I said that wrong. All day I've been calling this guy Big Ben. It's Big Rusty. Yeah, it's Big Rusty.
I guess Big Ben's rusty too.
Ben can be rusty. I'm guessing that's what he would eat. So Big Rusty was constructed by a man named Thomas Dambo, an artist who actually constructs these large troll-like creatures, mainly out of wood, and he's got them spread out across 17 countries. Now, what I think I do know is this is the only one right now that's made out of aluminum, steel, just your common everyday trash stuff. It made sense probably to actually do this where in abandoned places. Just look at the arm just resting on the roof there. This looks like an old gas station or an old automotive place or something, you know? Not for sure, but this is really cool. This is the middle of like almost nowhere. So let's go in here and explore a little bit. Now it's graffitied, the allow graffiti in this area. My thing is, if you come here, please do respect the art out here. Please, Big Rusty must have taken a good deal of time to make, and it would be greatly appreciated if we can keep him beautiful. I think they do allow a little bit of graffiti here, just not on Big Rusty himself. Now, I'm surprised he's gotten a good amount of respect, so let's keep it that way. Looks like where bathrooms would be. And this reminds me a lot of out west on Route 56. There's a basement here? Dude, that goes down somewhere. I wonder if I could actually... I don't know. Floor is sturdy enough, though. Until I'll fall right through. I'll close a space, but yeah. There is a basement here, but it's blocked off. Maybe there's another way down. We're gonna have to find out. The rooms are constructed in such a way. Now, this is one of those places you are allowed to come and be here. As long as the gate is open, then you can park in the parking lot back here and just explore and look around. Got like a little forest area back there. There's more of the building over here. What is this thing? Whoa. Those stairs were a little wobbly. Where are you? Hey, look at that. It's Big Rusty's butt.
Okay, you found Big Rusty's butt.
Right here.
Hey! Woohoo! You see your butt, mate? Oh, that's good. Oh, look at the furnace.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
That's really cool. Wow.
But I'm trying to gather what this place would be. I'm thinking it had to be like an automotives place where they worked on cars, or
Oh, that's a possibility.
it's something like that. Because look how it's constructed, out of cinder blocks. So is this not a normal home? It could possibly be a home right there in the back.
Yeah.
But doesn't it remind you of going out west?
Yep.
Like that, yup.
Just like, yup. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, there's a fire! Stop, drop, and roll.
Do it.
I was waiting for you to do it.
I'm not getting dirty.
I'm not even, I'm in a dress.
Oh look, it's Homer Simpson.
Flip-flops.
Go! Yeah, what is this? So, oh my gosh, I don't know. This looks like it was once raised. Maybe it was for cars. Because this would be like the little ramp area. You would actually work underneath the cars. I don't know. I'm not a mechanic. I don't build houses. I'm not into construction. Never had a construction job a day in my life, but it's like the more and more that I get into these places, and you just see like little subtle things that just reminds you of something else that you've seen. And you start putting two and two together. But this has to be the garage part of it, because look at these old windows. They used to be like the old squared, big glass windows. Roof. Of course, they did an excellent job to help keep this intact, because look, they got like grates up here to keep the ceiling from falling in case it fell on you. And then here's these things where they would actually hold the AC unit or heater. Actually, it would be a heater. I think it was a heater. And that, I couldn't tell you if that's a newer part of the construction or not. I love these windows though. These, I call them manufacturing glasses. I'll call them manufacturing windows because you see them in old textile plants. And I'm guessing you used to be able to open these up, at least part of them. A lot of times they would open up this way. They would have like a little thing that would come down from it right here, and you would crank it, and it would open slightly like that. There's a fan pointing that way, so exhaust would actually go outwards instead of making you cough your lungs out. So I'm guessing this had to either be a small manufacturing building or something for car production, or just a car garage. Oh my God, so look in the back of this. It's all open. This is crazy. So this place here in New Jersey, this one in particular, it's a hidden gem. It's like in the middle of almost nowhere, outside of a city, and nobody knows about it. Only the locals, it seems. This is crazy. And I'm glad to see that someone could take actually the time and make an abandoned building something very beautiful. It's like what I try to do as well. Like I try to give you guys the gist of the history as well as the places themselves, so they shine one more time, you know? Like I see the beauty in what it used to be, and it's all part of history. Slightest thing is a part of history. So this, hey, welcome to New Jersey. Oh, it's still got the old screen part of the window. Is that a river down there? It is. So we got Mike Tyson, Elvis Presley. I think that's Coolio. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And the rest of these guys, I don't know. Comment below if you know who these guys are. Oh, I just love this. How the ivy's taken over. This is beautiful. So I don't know how much you guys know, or if I've been Oh, it was the leaves. Leaves were screaming. I don't know how much you guys know. I don't know how much I told you, but we are RVing in the SUV, and we are taking you to anywhere we can. So we just got back from Florida, and we're up north now in New Jersey, and we'll go from there. So this is where we actually start pivoting, and we actually start really doing this on blind faith. And when I say blind faith, well, we don't know where the next stop is going to be, and it's completely awesome. And I'm loving this journey. It was hard at first, still is hard in some ways, but I'm learning to adjust, and we are free. We are no longer stuck in one area, and this is only just the touch, just the prem, I guess you would say, of just living on the edge, just the one part of our history. And this is how we really start. And we've been wanting to get out there. We've been wanting to travel, and we do, but we haven't really traveled to how we would like it. And this is how we start. So this video, I want to look back on this video years from now and look at how proud that we are, and look at how much and how far we've come. So walk around the back, yep, bingo, there it is. Yeah guys, look, found the basement, right down there. Yes, we got the basement. These are the stairs that are blocked off from up here on that floor, the main floor. So Shani just made a discovery here. You can actually move these windows, or the window frames. That's cool, you can actually still open those. Now I want to show you guys a scale of Big Rusty. That's Shani. And this is Big Rusty.
It's mighty big.
It's humongous.
It's huge.
Now, to confirm this, but I can't wait. Squirrels. But I can't wait for us to actually look back on these moments and tell ourselves in 5-10 years, look what we did. Look what we started. Look how scared we once were. But now we did it, and we're glad we did, because we fulfilled our dreams, our lives, and enriched it. And guys, I hope you all enjoy everything that we're doing, everything that we're gonna do. God, I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to every moment of this. And not only content is to bring you guys, but also to like start my life and start our lives together, Chantel and I. This is just, it's what I wanted to do for the longest time. Didn't have the balls to do it. Now I get the balls. We get the balls. She's got balls too. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. Big Rusty enjoyed it as well. And it's time to say goodbye. Time to say goodnight, Big Rusty. A good day. Well, that concludes our Explorer here for today. Hope you've enjoyed Big Rusty, and I will catch you guys on the flip.